Welcome back, Python learners, to another exciting episode of Mastering Python in 30 Days. I'm your host, and today we are diving into Python data types. Specifically, we'll start with one of the most basic and commonly used data types, integers, but later on we'll look at floats and strings. Remember, down below, I have attached some links that you can use so that we can practice together. Also, the demos we are using Google Colabs, you can also use it. The link is down below. Integers are whole numbers, both positive and negative, without any fractional parts. They are used to represent quantities like counts, scores, age, and much more. Let's explore integers and see how we can work with them in Python. Now, in Python, we can assign an integer to a variable just like we did with the message variable in the previous episode. You should check it out. Let me show you an example. In this simple line of code, we assign the value 10 to a variable called my number. Now, congratulations, you've just created your first integer variable. Now, let's explore what we can do with that. One of the basic operations we can perform with integers is addition. It allows us to combine multiple numbers and get their sum. Take a look at the code snippet. Here we have two variables, num1 and num2, which hold the value 5 and 7 respectively. By adding these two variables together and printing the result, we can see the sum. When we run this code, it will display the sum of 5 and 7, which is 12. Python provides us with various operators like plus, addition, asterisk, which means multiplication, and division to perform different mathematical operations with integers. These operations allow us to manipulate numbers and perform calculations effortlessly. Now let me show you an interesting feature of integers called integer division. It's used when we want the result of a division operation to be an integer without any decimal part. Consider the example on the screen. In this code, we are dividing the dividend 21 by the divisor 5 using the floor division operator. The result will be the quotient of the division, which is 4. These are just a few examples of what you can do with integers in Python. As you progress, you'll discover many more operations and techniques to manipulate numbers efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try experimenting with different numbers and operations to get comfortable with integers. That's all for today's episode, where we explore the fascinating world of integers in Python. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future episodes where we'll delve into other exciting data types.